Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 58 kWh Premium, finished in satin gray with a clean minimalist cloth interior. A cutting-edge electric SUV that blends futuristic design with premium tech and everyday practicality. At the side, it sits on striking 19-inch alloys with flush door handles, clean lines, and a unique profile that screams modern innovation. At the rear, pixel-style tail lights and a sculpted boot complete the look, with an electric tailgate offering hands-free access to a spacious, usable boot area, ideal for daily life and weekend escapes. Powered by a 58 kWh battery, this IONIQ 5 delivers smooth and silent electric performance with quick acceleration and zero-emissions driving. Smart cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot assist keep every journey safe and stress-free. You're greeted by signature pixel LED lights, a sharp bonnet design, and bold styling that sets this IONIQ 5 apart on the road. Step inside to a futuristic digital cockpit with twin 12.3-inch screens, housing your driving data, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more, seamlessly integrated with Bluetooth and DAB radio. You'll enjoy heated seats and a heated steering wheel, designed to keep you warm and comfortable on colder days. You'll also find electric folding mirrors and front and rear parking sensors with a crystal-clear reverse camera for everyday ease. In the rear, passengers are treated to generous legroom thanks to the flat floor and clever interior design, making it as practical as it is stylish. In the boot, you'll find ample space for luggage, gear, or groceries, easily accessed with the powered tailgate. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration K R72HVW to arrange a viewing or request a personalized video tour.